Sure. So good morning. Moving ahead with the exercise 6.5. Question number 6. Angle Q and R of triangle PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree. So here you can see the figure. It is triangle PQR with Q as 25 degree and R as 65 degree. Right? Write which of the following statement is true. Now here options are given to you. It is one form of MCQ. Options are given to you. First one, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Second one, PQ square plus PR square is equal to QR square. And third one, PR square plus QR square is equal to PQ square. Now here you can see that here sum of square of two sides and here it is form of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse નો કોઈ form છે. બરાબર? So we have to use Pythagoras theorem. એ તો આપણને સ્ટ્રાઇક આઉટ થઈ ગયું કે અહીંયા બે સાઈડ નો સ્ક્વેર છે અને એને સમ કર્યો છે. એટલે સિંગલ અને ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડ પર ખાલી એક સિંગલ નંબર નો સ્ક્વેર છે. Right? So we have got an idea that we have to use Pythagoras theorem. But Pythagoras theorem is applicable for right angle triangle. समझ पड़ा ना? Pythagoras theorem કોના માટે applicable છે? Right angle triangle. Is it right angle triangle? No. Right? So first we have to show that this is right angle triangle. First આપણે શું પ્રૂવ કરશું કે આ right angle triangle છે પછી એની અંદર Pythagoras theorem apply કરશું and finally we will get the correct answer. Right? So let's see here. So in triangle PQR, comma, angle Q is equal to 25 degree, angle R is equal to 65 degree. This is given to you. This is given to you. Right? So first what we'll do, we will find the value of angle P. Angle P is equal to how much? This શોધવાનું છે. Right? So by using now all angles are given to you. So by using angle sum property, what we can say that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree, which imply angle P we have to find plus. What is angle Q? 25 degree plus what is angle R? 65 degree is equal to 180 degree, which imply angle P plus the total of this 90 is equal to 180, transferring 90 on another side, which imply angle P is equal to 180 minus 90 degree, which imply angle P is equal to 90 degree. Right? Angle P મારું શું આવ્યું? 90 degree આવી ગયું. Therefore, triangle PQR is right angle triangle with angle P is equal to 90 degree. Therefore what we can say that hypotenuse square, that is QR square, is equal to PQ square plus PR square. समझ पड़े ने? QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square by what? Pythagoras theorem. So therefore what we can say that just observe the option. QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square or RP square. Therefore, what we can say that option 2 is correct. સમજ પડી શું કરવાનું છે તે રાઈટ સમજ પડી અહીંયા મારી સાથે કોનું ડીલિંગ થાય છે એંગલ્સ નું ડીલિંગ થાય છે તો ફર્સ્ટ I will draw all the angles by using angles property. From that I can easily get that these triangles form a right angle triangle. And what we have used the Pythagoras theorem. What does it says that RQ square, the base, the hypotenuse square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. And if I observe, we can see that option 2 will be the correct one. समझ पड़े આવું MCQ માં પૂછે બરાબર. Find the perimeter. What we have to find? The perimeter of what? Rectangle. So what is the formula to find perimeter of rectangle? Is equal to 2 times L plus B. हाँ મને ખબર છે. That perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. Now see here, what is given to you? Whose length? Length is given to you. What is length? 40 centimeter. And diagonal is given to you. What is diagonal? A line segment formed by joining opposite vertices. Opposite vertices ને join કરશું એટલે મને શું ફોર્મ થઈ જશે diagonals ફોર્મ થઈ જશે. ફર્સ્ટ કોનું ફિગર છે રેક્ટેંગલ. તો આપણે એક રેક્ટેંગલ નું ફિગર ડ્રો કરીએ બરાબર. Rectangle A, B, C, D. Right? Now, how are the angles of rectangle? They are of measure 90 degree. But the angle measure કેટલું છે 90 degree. This will be your length and this will be your breadth. Chalo, what is length from the figure from the statement? 40 centimeter. Is base given to you? No. So that we have to find. Right? One more thing is given to you. What is given to you? The diagonal. Right? So let's draw one diagonal. Any one diagonal will do. So what is the length of diagonal? 41 centimeter. This will be also base. है ना? आज जो base तो इन्हीं opposite side भी base. अब breadth आज जो length तो तुम्हारी opposite side भी length. That is 40 centimeter. Right? This we have to find. Now you can see that right angle triangle is formed. देखा है right angle triangle? Here it is. You can use ABC or you can use ADC. बराबर? तो जो लखूं छू in rectangle ABCD, angle A is same as angle B is same as angle D is same as angle C, that is equal to 90 degree. AD which is same as BC which is equal to 40 centimeter. શું છે length છે. કેટલા સમજ પડી? Okay, very good. Then AB is same as BC which is equal to B, that is breadth. बराबर? So Now, also AC, that is equal to 41 centimeter. What is that? Diagonals. ये શું છે? સમજ પડે છે? ચાલો. So now in triangle ABC, comma, angle B is equal to 90 degree. है ना? Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what we can say that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Right? Which implies AC 41 square is equal to AB, that is your B, and as it is already here, AB તો શોધવાનું છે આપણે, that is AB square as it is, plus BC square 40 square. So which implies cipher 41 multiplied by 41, 0. 4 ones are 4 fours are 16, 1 ones are 4 ones are 1681. So 1681 is equal to AB square plus direct લખું છું 4 fours are 16, કેટલા 0? 2 zeros. સમજ પડે ને, સ્ક્વેર છે એટલે 2 zeros આવશે, રાઈટ? ચાલો ટ્રાન્સફરિંગ. So which implies AB આગળ લખી દઉં છું, AB square is equal to 1681 minus 1600. So which implies AB square is equal to 81. But what is 81?
9 square.
That is 9 square. 9 nines are 81. So cancel that. Cancel it out. Which implies AB is equal to 9 centimeter. But what is AB? Therefore, what we can say that? Breadth is equal to 9 centimeter. What we have to find? Perimeter. So now, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times L plus B. That is 2 times, what is length?
40 centimeters.
40 plus, what is breadth?
9 centimeters.
9. That is 2 times 40 plus 9.
49.
Into total
98.
98 centimeter. સમજ પડી ગઈ? રાઈટ? એટલે શું કર્યું અહીંયા? મને રેક્ટેંગલ આપ્યું છે ને આપણે શું ફોર્મ કર્યું અહીંયા? રાઈટ એંગલ ટ્રાયેંગલ ફોર્મ કર્યું. એટલે મને ઓટોમેટિકલી બીજી સાઈડ મળી જાય. ગોટ ઇટ? The diagonal of a rhombus measures 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Now, perimeter you can see all sides are same. So what will be the perimeter? 4 times sides. Right? What will be the perimeter of rhombus? Perimeter of rhombus will be 4 into bracket sides. 4 times sides. એટલે મને શું ડિનોટ કરીને આપી દેશે perimeter. કેમ 4 times sides? X, 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 X. How many X? 4. So that should be 4X. સમજ પડી? શું થઈ ગયું તે? ચાલો. હવે શું આપ્યું છે આપણને? ડાયાગોનલ. કોનો? રોમ્બસ નો. રાઈટ? તો જે સ્ક્વેર છે તેને મેં થોડો ધક્કો મારી આપ્યો તો શું બની ગયું? રોમ્બસ બની ગયું. બરાબર? રોમ્બસ બની ગયું. હવે એના શું કહેવાય આપણે એને? ડાયાગોનલ્સ. તો પહેલા નેમિંગ કરી દઉં A B C D. So here A B C D is rhombus. चलो जो जो અહીંયા AC, that is diagonal, which is equal to 16 centimeter. चलो एक diagonal बनी गया. चलो second one, BD, that is also diagonal, that is equal to 30 centimeter. चलो મને બે diagonal મળી ગયા. Now point of intersection is O, right? હવે મને ધ્યાનથી સમજો શું લખ્યું છે, right? Property છે that diagonal of a rhombus intersect means what? Cut करे. Intersect each other at 90 degree. કયા ડિગ્રી પર ઇન્ટરસેક્ટ કરશે એકબીજાને? 90 ડિગ્રી પર. આ રીતે. બરાબર? તો કેટલા ટ્રાયેંગલ રાઈટ એંગલ ટ્રાયેંગલ ફોર્મ થઈ ગયા? 1 2 3 4. I can use anyone. But મને કોની વેલ્યુ જોઈએ? OB. મને કોની વેલ્યુ જોઈએ? OC. એ તો મળે નહીં. પણ સંતાયેલી છે. એ સંતાયેલી છે. ચાલો. This segment OB is related to which diagonal? BD. Segment OB એ કયા diagonal સાથે છે? તો BD. Right? Now another thing, whenever diagonal intersect each other, they bisect each other. એકબીજાને શું કરશે? Bisect, સરખા ભાગમાં કટ કરશે. એટલે આની જે વેલ્યુ હશે સેમ વેલ્યુ આની જે વેલ્યુ હશે તે OC. સમજ પડી દીધી? તો આની વેલ્યુ કેટલી થવાની? હાફ. કેટલી થશે? હાફ. કોની? ફૂલ ડાયાગોનલ છે તેને હાફ કરી દો એટલે મને કોણ મળી જાય? OB. તો what can I write? OB is equal to half of BD. That is half of what is BD? 30. That is equal to 15 centimeter. ચાલો મને એક OB મળી ગયું. હવે OB સાથે કોણ લઈ લેવું છું? OC, that is also half of AC. That is equal to half of what is AC?
60.
That is equal to 8 centimeter. So now in triangle BOC, angle O is equal to 90 degree because diagonal bisect each other at right angle 90 degree. બરાબર? ચલો apply Pythagoras theorem which imply આ 90 degree છે પેલી સામે BC square is equal to BO square plus OC square. Right? Reason શું આપશું? By Pythagoras theorem. Sure. Which imply what is BC? That we have to find is equal to BO. અત્યારે છોડીને લાવ્યા 15 square plus OC 8 square. 15 are 225 plus 8 are 64. Add the number 225 plus 64 9 8 and then 2. So that will be 289. BC square is equal to 289. આ તમારે યાદ રાખવું પડશે. Which imply BC square is equal to 17 square. 17 17s are 289. એ યાદ રાખવું પડશે. પ્રાઇમ નંબર છે એટલા માટે. સ્ક્વેર કેન્સલ which implies BC is equal to 17. What is BC? Side. BC શું હતું? Side. Therefore, what we can say that side is equal to 17. Therefore, now perimeter
Of square.
of
Rhombus.
rhombus is equal to 4 times sides. That is 4 times 17. Yeah, 17 fours are. That is 68 centimeter. 68 centimeter. સમજ પડી એટલે તમારી પાસે એક નવું વસ્તુ આવ્યું. શું આવ્યું નવું વસ્તુ?